My name is Claire and I'm your yoga teacher. So just find a really nice space. I'm out in the garden. Put a jumper on just to make sure I stay warm because I won't be moving lots. So find a comfortable seated position. So you might want to have a blanket underneath just to lift your hips up and tilt your pelvis a little bit more. And just really keeping things simple. Perhaps you bring your hands to your knees or you have your palms facing up. And just allowing for some silence. And bringing your awareness to the sounds that you can hear. Moving from one sound to another. Bumblebee buzzing. Someone working on their garden. And now bring your awareness to your breath, keeping your eyes closed and soft. So you're not trying to change the breath, you're just bringing that awareness. Notice how the chest expands when you inhale and how the belly pushes out when you exhale. You may wish to say to yourself, I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out.